Think someone else might still be logged into your X account? In this video, I'll show you how to log out of your X account on all devices at once. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once the app opens, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu where your account settings are located. Now, scroll down slightly and tap on Settings and Support. From the expanded menu, select Settings and Privacy. A new settings page will appear with different account and security options. Here, tap on Security and Account Access. Inside this section, you'll find tools related to login activity, connected apps, and account protection. Now tap on Apps and Sessions. This page shows devices, browsers, and sessions currently connected to your account. Next, tap on Sessions. If you notice an unfamiliar device, or if you simply want to secure your account everywhere, tap on Log Out of all other sessions. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure. Tap Log Out to confirm. After that, X will automatically sign your account out from all other phones, browsers. This is a great security step if you logged into a shared device before, or think someone else may still have access to your account. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.